Сәлем достар, сіздермен бірге Пикаус Адвокас, и біз сіздермен бірге GTA San Andreas ойынына YTP көретін боламыз. YTP деген өте күлкілі видео. Жетінші волна реакция көретін боламыз. Ал ендеше видеомызды бірге көшіп бастаймыз. Видеоға лайк басып кетіңіздер, және де арнаға тіркелуді ұмытпаңыздар. Бірге көшіп бастаймыз.
It's time to go home. What's the problem? Move it. Hey!
Passenger, show us your hands.
Nice.
Now show us your hands. Stop. Stop.
Yeah, go on.
Now suck up.
Nice.
Oh, you motherfucker.
I'll take cover. Hey, that's paper, man. That's my toilet paper. This is terrible. Enough money, man.
Hey, fuck you. Don't want.
What's up with you? Yeah, boy. This is a weapon of Jones that was used to wipe cars' ass. Hell no, Officer Tenpenny. I was just wondering what's funny, man.
Get out of here, you fucking bastard. Get it? Bastard. Get out of here.
Man, where is this dude? Hey, I've been waiting for you, Holmes.
Yes, he did. Look.
I'm blind. Carl Johnson, sir. Hey, man, what the get off me, man! Look, Carl Johnson.
Hey, what the fuck you doing here, nigga? Identify yourself. Who the fuck are you?
Mike. Mike. I've been trying to contact you. What? Oh, man. What? Oh, man. Hey, you want to make this shit personal, Wesley? Yes. Man. Mike's in trouble. Let's battle. What trouble? Who was Mike? Mike Conker. Motherfucker. Hey, you want to make this shit personal, Wesley? Yeah. No. Come on, we gotta. Hey. Hey. Oh, yeah. Sus, y'all. Yeah. Hello.
Turn that TV off right quick. Listen up, fellas. Nope.
Oh, yeah.
Smoke, what the fuck are you doing?
Hey, I'm just finishing my special.
Turn that TV off like we were saying. No more bitch. For fuck's sake. Come on, man. Turn that TV off. Keep that shit off.
That's right. Relax. I'll do it.
Thanks, homie. Like we were saying. I said it's time we went down there and made it official. Grove Street is clean. Motherfucker.
Wait, no! How you do that? Hey, Smoke, are you available for communication? Hey, what is this? Smoke, have you looked at yourself in the mirror lately?
I gotta be honest with you, CJ. I don't think I got long to live, baby. Shit.
What? Oh, shit, you mean dead, you mean? Fat ass.
Man, fuck. Fuck it, man. I don't give a fuck. I fucked a lapdog.
What?
What's
wrong with you, man?
Oh, Lord. I just took a big shit. So, the truth is, Carl, I fucked your brother at the cemetery.
What?
Oh.
Man.
Carl?
Oh, the bitch. What the hell you want?
Here. Sweet. What?
Swiss cheese.
What?
A plane?
Oh, shit. Ding, 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 ding. Get up, bitch. Everyone gonna remember Big Smoke. Me.
Shut up.
Half the city's looking for cops to suck, Carl. And I ain't about to get fucked to death by some angry meatball. Nice.
Suck, huh? Hey, I like a nice dick sucked myself.
What? You're gonna die.
Not today, asshole. See, you hallucinating.
Huh? What?
Damn, the dung of time starts again. The worst thing in the world. The height of the ball increased. I do not represent Glove Street at 5 years old, but I do not object to the palace of his passing.
This shit good.
Hey, man, you okay?
I ain't about to get beat to death by some angry patrol car.
Are you sure about that?
What?
Достар, осылайша GTA San Andreas ойынына YTP күлкілі видео аяқталды. Қош сау болыңыздар.